Big B cousin scare.
Come on, buddy.
Okay. Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Caroline?
This time he was really scared. That was hilarious.
You didn't know I was in there, did you?
Yeah, I did. I thought you were right here.
See, guys, before we did this, I did a thing back there because I deleted the other one, and he screamed, but he wasn't acting very good. This time I hid in the bathroom, and I scared him really good. So
He wasn't expecting it.
no,
Again.
no, we'll do another one sometime. I'll have a series of this, okay?
Let's go watch it.
Okay, I'm gonna upload it to YouTube and we can watch it, okay?
Okay.
I don't do that anymore, do I? Southwest Beef Jerky.